Hey, how's it going? Jason with Draw for God. I just recently got a new GoPro 10, so I'm going to take a short field test out into the woods to see if can you even tell that I'm looking? Okay, I'm looking at the lens right now, looking at the screen. I kind of see my eyes move a little bit. But anyways, we're going to go outside and do just a quick field test and a quick edit. So let's go. Gonna go out to the woods back here and check it out. It's got different lighting, something coming through, some a little bit shaded parts. Check it out. All right, so man, there's a lot of weeds, but over here by that tree, between the tree and this wood pile, that's going to be where I want to do some hanging out. Little campfire right in here is where I want to do a little bit of cooking and stuff. But I think, you know, it's going to have a really cool backdrop, but there are a ton of weeds, and I don't know if it's poison ivy or whatever. I'm sure there's some ticks and fleas and possibly a snake or two in there, but I've got to get in there and clean that out. But check that out, it is a ton of weeds. So now I'm going to get just some featured shots, see like basically B-roll, just to see how well it goes. Well, that should be some cool footage to kind of put some music behind, see if I can get a little dramatic with it. But I'm going to head back and edit this and see how it goes. Hopefully this GoPro 10 has been a good choice. What is that arrow? Oh, when I say GoPro, it recognized my voice. GoPro, stop recording.